What are good ways to save on auto or car insurance? Auto or car insurance will vary depending on things such as your driving history, your location, the cost of your vehicle and the gap between the coverage. The right insurance policy is important for the vehicle. If you get into an accident without an insurance policy, then you are at risk of paying millions in damages. Even a penalty could be detrimental to some individuals and families. That is why choosing the right company is crucial for your legal, financial, and personal well-being. We all know why we need car insurance, and we have to know what some important ways to save are. 8 ways to save on auto or car insurance. Compare policy rates. Prices differ significantly from company to company. Take the time to explore for these things, as many options you can decide. Buy only what you need. What you need for a new model is different, and what you need for an older automobile is the different thing. If your car is an older design, then it might warrant you for dropping the collision coverage. Get a tracking device. It records your driving history, speed, abrupt stops, travel times, distance, and after the first year, as you can get reduced rates if you have a safe driver. You can save as much as 60%. Combine your homeowner's renter policy. Combine other policies with your car insurance. That is an effective way to get the most discounts. Car insurance is considered as the riskiest investment, but if you combine it with a safer investment, then your monthly bill can go down. Choose the higher deductible. If you can afford, then choose the higher deductible and pay less in each month for coverage. A deductible is an amount you have to pay before your provider cover the rest of your bill. Take care of your credit score. Those with high credit scores may get lower rates, as they are considered as less and risky choices for providers. Pay all of your bills on time and always check your score to stay updated. Choose the cheap policy on the market is not a smart decision. When you compare with different providers, make sure read about their history, how well they understand the industry, and how much they focus on building relationships with their clients. Not only these policies have to sound good on paper, but you should also be able to personally trust and believe that the car and auto insurance company will be there for you when something unfortunate happens. The different types of cover you need to be aware of are: third-party cover. This is the minimum legal requirement and pays out for claims that other people make against you for damage or injury caused by your driving. With this type of cover, you cannot make a claim for damage to your own car, theft of your car, or loss or damage to any item in your car under your own third-party insurance. Third-party, fire and theft cover. In addition to the third-party cover, you can claim for loss or damage to your own car as a result of fire or theft, but not accidental damage to your vehicle. This type of cover costs more than a basic third-party cover. Comprehensive cover. This gives you third-party fire and theft cover, but also allows you to claim for damage to your own car, no matter who is to blame. The benefits of comprehensive policies vary between insurers, so you should check your policy for details, but the cover will usually include benefits such as windscreen and glass cover, cover for damaged or stolen personal belongings. This usually applies to items stolen from a locked boot or glove compartment. The amount you can claim depends on your policy. Recovery service and emergency breakdown assistance. Driving other people's cars. This covers you for any damage you do to another car or person while driving someone else's car. It does not cover any damage you do to yourself or the car you borrow. Replacement or hire car. The cost of this is covered if your own car is off the road as a result of an accident. Replacement lock cover, alarm cover, and fire brigade charges. Extra benefits you can get with a comprehensive policy. No claims discount protection. Named driver on the vehicle. Open driving allows anyone with a full driving license to drive your car with your permission. Driver personal accident cover. Auto insurance premiums are based on a large number of factors, some of which you can control, and some of which you cannot. Rates are based on statistical models that help determine the level of risk each insured person represents for the carrier. For example, statistically, a 16-year-old boy in a sports car living in a big city is far more likely to hit something, or be hit by something, than a 40-year-old married mother of 2 driving a minivan around the suburbs. The unfortunate thing is that some of the factors that affect your car insurance rates just cannot be changed.